Throat chakra or Vishuddhi chakra is known as a door towards spirituality, and the color is blue, and the location is just at the base of throat. Organs associated are respiratory organs, lungs, and the gland is thyroid. So basically, you can access to higher energies through your throat chakra. It's a gateway, and when we chant mantras through which we connect to the higher realms. See, when we chant mantras, it's how we connect, to the higher realms. So it's through throat chakra that you do it. So what we need sweet speech, we need nice words, we need manifestations, we need compassion, lovely words, all these. So when your throat chakra is balanced, your voice is very clear, you're very audible to people understand your communication is clearly expressed. There is politeness in your speech, and people are mesmerized listening to you, and they feel the healing energy, and the creativity is high, new ideas are there, and you cultivate new ideas, and your speech has huge impact in terms of healing and peace. So you have all wisdom, you have good expression, and good communication skills, positive words, and politeness, and um, good communication is the key word, excellent communication. So if you have an overactive throat chakra, so that makes you a bad listener. You're always proving your point, to people. You're argumentative. You want everybody, they should listen to you. And you speak loud, you scream, shout, and you interrupt people a lot. You'll be abusive, very bad speech, excessive speech, and not pleasant speech. So it can lead to illusions, overthinking, and criticism. So overactive is like equivalent to very bad speech. Now if it is blocked, then it shows that you are shy, you're very reserved, you have some kind of fear in speaking your heart out, no communication, lack of expression, no public speech, and especially you can't think out of the box, and you're not expressive, and very low pitched voice, and there is no power in your voice, and very weak feeble voice you have, and you'll be unheard and you're ignored, and it can lead to problems like thyroid and pain in throat, infections in throat cavities, tooth problems, gum problems, and lack of authority, sore throat, and lack of will, and even ulcers. So how to activate it? Now, first of all, you have to watch out your speech. You should not be harsh, and you should not lie. And even when you speak, when you're dishonest and you speak lies, you block your throat chakra. And have meaningful discussions. Be expressive. And singing also activates throat chakra. Chanting mantras are the best, if you can chant mantras, whichever mantra you resonate with, it's of great importance. And you shouldn't be abusive, and use the power of manifestation, speak good, speak positive, so that you can attract positive things in your life. Don't speak bad to anybody. Be kind to other people, no screamings, and be sweet and calm. And in terms of eating, you can have blue vegetables or fruits, that will really help you. Also deep breathing is of great help. Now, affirmations also are there for the throat chakra, that I speak good and I speak for my benefit, and these kind of affirmations, you can get a lot of affirmations which you can speak for your betterment. And see, it's a very deep rooted mechanism. Watch your words, because whatever we speak, we create our reality. It's very important that we watch our words. So communication, is it plays a very important role in our lives. So you really need to speak sweet and not rude to really activate your throat chakra.